Hello. Okay, this is going to be a cover of Archie Marry Me by Always? Always? I'm assuming it's always, but you know, it's spelled weird. So anyways, hope that you enjoy. You've expressed explicitly your contempt for matrimony. You've student loans to pay and will not risk the alimony. We spend our days locked in our room, content inside a bubble. And in the night time we go out and scour the streets for trouble. Hey, hey, marry me, Archie. Hey, hey, marry me, Archie. During the summer, take me sailing out on the Atlantic. Won't set my sights on other seas, there is no need to panic. So honey, take me by the hand and we can sign some